Guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Android feel faster, not make it faster, just feel like it's snappier and opens your applications quicker. So guys, welcome back to another Android video. It's been a year or so that I haven't made Android videos because I do not have many ideas on what videos to make on Android. So from now on I will try my best to make as many Android videos as possible. So let's get straight to the point of this video. So first of all, you're gonna go to settings, of course. You're gonna scroll down to the end and you're gonna open developer options. If you do not have developer options or you do not see it, to do that, to enable it, go to about phone, then software information. If you do not have Android 8 that I have right here, do not worry, you will find it pretty easily. You're gonna click software information and you will find build number. So you're gonna tap it 7 times. It will say you have tap 7 more times to enable developer options, something like that. Mine says no need, developer mode has already been enabled because I have already enabled it, as you saw. And after it says developer options has been enabled or something like that, you will see this new option right here at the end. Just click that, and if it's off, turn it on. And you're gonna scroll down to the section drawing, as you can see above here, and we're gonna change these 3 settings: window animation scale, transition, and animator. You will probably see your phone like animation scale at 1x. As you can see, it feels like slower, like you have already been used to it. Get used to it. Like I have been used the animation scale off because it just makes the applications or everything faster. Like if I put a 10x, it's gonna take a while to open, which is really useless. I do not know why they have it at 10x. Turn it off and you will see your applications open much faster. It won't make, of course, your phone faster, just feel like it's snappier and opens your app quicker, as I said in the beginning. So that's everything for today, guys. I know this is a short video, but I try to make the videos as shorter as possible so people don't get bored. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.